Before I get started, guys, as always, let me go ahead and introduce my partner, my mentor, one of the greats here at IX Global Influencer Rank. No one else other than Chris Lengle. How you doing, Chris?
So good to see you, Zay. Can't believe it's Tuesday again, man. These weeks fly by. I'll tell you, I love getting paid weekly by IX Global because, man, these weeks fly by. And, it's just been great. I can't believe it's almost February already. But, a lot of exciting stuff to share tonight. I love what this triple threat call. I've had people tell them that some people said it, told me it's their favorite, which I really appreciate. We've got some great stuff going on. And, I love that you're going to share the trading. And then if any of you have heard about the X node, I'm going to talk about that. And then we're going to talk about the third, which is sharing this with other people and making some money. So 3 different ways to create, multiple streams of income in 2023. And man, I'm excited, Zay. It's been a great day. And what a great way to cap off the evening.
Absolutely, Chris. I'm excited. I know we got a lot of new updates for you guys. And so just like Chris said, 3 ways to make money with us here at IX Global with trading, Xnode, and sharing the platform. We'll go ahead and get into it, guys. Real quick, if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the chat. We'll answer them at the end just so we don't interrupt at all during the presentation. And I promise we won't take too much of your guys' time. We're thinking maybe 30 to 45 minutes, at most an hour, but we usually don't go that long. So we'll try to make it nice and sweet for you guys. But once again, guys, this is the triple threat call here at IX Global. Real quick, just a quick little disclaimer, guys, to start us off, we are not financial advisors or investment advisors. We're simply an educational platform here to help you guys, grow and become the person that you want to become. Okay. We do not promise or guarantee any income or any results from the information you see here. It is your responsibility to do your own research based on the information you hear within this presentation. What we do offer here at IX Global is education, software, and hardware. Okay. Again, it's your responsibility to do your own research and make sure that this is the right fit for you. We advise to never borrow any money or get involved, never borrow any money to get involved in any business or market, and never invest the money you cannot afford. Okay. So just a quick little disclaimer to let you guys know what we have here at IX Global. But now let's dive a little bit deeper into what is IX Global. Okay, so first and foremost, guys, here is our corporate staff here at IX Global, the people that make it happen. And real quick, I want to go ahead and let you guys know our mission statement is simply these three little words here at the bottom: innovate, inspire, and impact. Okay, that is where, that is what Joe Martinez, our CEO and founder, has founded IX Global based upon. Okay, we want to innovate and create the best educational platform that we can for you guys to help inspire and impact people's lives around the world. Okay, so you guys can see our corporate staff here with our CEO, as I mentioned, Joe Martinez, Paul Barlow, our president, Ozzy Tomas, our chief marketing officer, and the whole gang here. We just introduced some new people here. And these are the people that helped us grow this company. And you guys can see the achievements we have here. We started in May of 2020. And then throughout this, we're not even 3 years old yet. And we have accomplished so much in this industry. Top 3 startup, #1 startup company in 2022. We were #1 in momentum. We have the top earner in the world with Viraj Patil. And in last year in 2022, we did $206 million in sales. Okay, I'll let you guys go ahead and read the rest of those if you'd like, but this is just simply showing you guys what we have here at IX Global is working, right? We have this amazing company to help people grow and, again, impact their lives, to be able to make money online, to be able to learn these skill sets that are able to help them, through recession, through inflation, all these things around the world that's going on. People are still able to come here, make money online from the comfort of their own home. Okay. And that's what we have here with this amazing corporate staff who's not just sitting up there making money off of us, right? These guys here, all 9 of these people on your screen, we work with these people closely. They're here with us. They're helping the community grow. They're doing calls with us, corporate calls. They're helping us really grow and, again, help everyone achieve their goals within this company. So an amazing staff, an amazing community we have here at IX Global. Okay, so that's who runs it. That's who's behind the scenes. But now let's talk about what actually IX Global has. We have an ecosystem here for all digital entrepreneurs. I like to say it's the holy grail for digital entrepreneurs. Okay, we have multiple industries, multiple things that if you're interested in these, we have the education to help you guys learn. Okay, so we have financial markets. Whether you're interested in learning in Forex, crypto, indices, commodity markets, and learning how to trade and invest in those, we have those for you guys. We also have e-commerce education. So if you're learning how to open up your own Shopify or Amazon store, we have that academy to help you guys learn how to do that. We have discounts on travel. When you're traveling the world, you can get discounts on hotels and cars that you can't get anywhere else other than IX Global. We have third-party partners with CryptoLand and Xnode. We're going to talk a little bit more about Xnode in the upcoming slides, but we actually have CryptoLand as well. Just want to quickly talk about this. This is an NFT gaming platform that we partnered with. IX Global had a whitelist, right? An exclusive whitelist that only our members could purchase these NFTs at a discounted price before the entire public. Then they went live to the public, and there, again, prices went up. So people were still able to buy these NFTs. But again, we got that exclusive whitelist, and this game is going to be launching here shortly, where people will be able to take those NFTs, play this game online, and be able to actually earn real crypto. Okay. So amazing things that we have here. And there's the innovation, right? Nothing, we have this platform that's nothing like anything else. Okay. Then we also have community and leadership here. One of the best things about our company is, again, as I mentioned with the corporate staff, we are all here to work as a community. We're all here to work together and help each other, encourage each other to grow and become the person that you want to become. Okay. And last but not least, we also have our own social media application in the IX Global app. You guys can download this, hop on, and it's simply just like an Instagram or Twitter, message people, chat, comment, like people's posts. And it's simply a positive Instagram, right? Or positive Twitter, where you guys can come on here instead of seeing all the negative things that you don't want to see in the world. This is where we post things to, encourage one another, post our achievements, our rate ups, all this kind of stuff to keep each other motivated and continue going after our goals. Okay, so once again, guys, this is the IX Global ecosystem to show you guys just a quick overview of everything we have here to offer. But now let's go ahead and dive a little bit deeper into the triple threat. And the first product I want to talk about is one of my favorites, Empire IX. And the reason I say that, guys, I'm a little biased. I'm one of the educators here at Empire IX, where we teach institutional trading. And this is where we help you guys take your trading to the next level. Okay, so some of you guys may have heard that term, institutional trading, or smart money, if you guys want to call it that as well, right? And you may be thinking to yourself, what is that? What is institutional trading? What is smart money trading? I've heard people talk about it. Well, what this style of trading is essentially trading with the banks rather than against them. Okay, a lot of traders, I know when I first started trading, we come in and we start learning retail strategies, right? We start learning retail trading patterns, support and resistance, break and retest, and all these indicators that crowd up your chart, and you have no idea what's going on. You can't see anything, and it just makes it overwhelming and confusing. And that's why a lot of people quit, because I think it's so complicated and it's not easy to read. And we get rid of all that here at Empire. We teach you guys how to read price action, how to read these candlesticks when they're moving up and down. And our goal is to try to trade with the banks. We're looking for where the banks are making the moves in the market, because we know the banks control the markets, right? Every candle up, every candle down, that's controlled by the large institutions. And our goal is to look for where they're making their move, because the banks, they're trying to manipulate retail. They're trying to create these false patterns and things in the market to be able to take out retail so the banks can win. They control the markets. They're going to do so freely. And so our goal at Empire is to help you guys and, to teach you how to avoid that bank manipulation, wait for the banks to make their move and be able to jump in with them, right? We want to go along for the ride. We don't want to trade against the banks. We don't want to trade without knowledge of the banks. Our goal is to jump in where they're going to make their move. The analogy I love to use is, think about if you're surfing, right? If you're a surfer, you get your board and you do what? You go out into the ocean, right? You stand up on your surfboard, you see a wave coming. What do? Right? You surf that wave, you go with the flow of the ocean back to the beach, right? You don't try to go against the wave, because what's going to happen? You try to surf against that wave is just going to come up, swallow you up, take you underwater. You're going to get water up your nose, and you're just not going to have a lot of success going against the wave, right? And so our goal here is to teach you guys the same thing in the market. We don't want to go against the banks. Our goal is to try to figure out where they're going to do our best. We can't guarantee anything, but our goal is to try to figure out the highest probability of where the banks are going to make their next move and jump in with them. And that's what we teach you here at Empire. And to show you guys exactly how you can learn with us here at Empire, let's start diving into the aspects that you get when you join Empire, okay? So first and foremost, we have our most popular academy, the Master Trader University. And this is a university-style academy that's going to introduce you to those institutional trading concepts and teach you from a freshman through senior level content, right? So you'll enroll, just like any university or college, you'll enroll as a freshman. Then you'll go through all the freshman level videos, take the freshman level quiz at the end of the videos. And if you pass with an 80% or higher, then you can move on to sophomore, then to junior, then to senior. And once you pass that senior level quiz with an 80% or higher, then you guys will qualify to receive our certificate of completion, verifying that you guys are a certified smart money trader in the eyes of us here at Empire. How cool is that, guys? You guys get to, come in here, actually learn this stuff. And it's not just random things you find online, right? This is an organized course to teach you guys step by step what to look for in the market, how to trade with the banks. And at the end, you guys get to get your own certificate of showing people that you are taking your trading serious and you're learning with us here at Empire. Okay, so that's what we got here in the Master Trading University, a very great academy that we recommend all of you guys check out once you join Empire. And then on top of that, if you guys remember, our goal here at IX Global is to create the best educational platform that we can. So we didn't stop at just one academy. We threw in 3 additional academies, 4 total, but 3 additional in English, 1 in Spanish. And let's break these down real quick and show you guys what we have here to offer at Empire. Okay. So first and foremost, we have the Prerequisites Academy. This is going to be an introduction to help you guys learn the physical aspects of trading, right? So you'll be able to come in here, learn how to use TradingView, how to use MetaTrader 4, how to take a signal, right? How to move your stop loss to break even. You'll learn what that means, okay? All of the physical aspects of actually how to enter a trade on your mobile device. Then we have the live session recordings. This is going to be more of an intermediate level. And this is where we're going to upload all of our live sessions, all of our live classes and trading sessions here in this module, but we put it in an organized format so you guys know exactly where to find the class that you missed or the class that you want to watch again. Okay, so we put it in order for you guys to learn step by step in order of dates so you guys can easily find the class that you missed. Then we also have the Expert Analysis Academy. Now, this is going to be more of an advanced academy, and this is going to be for the traders that are starting to pick up. They understand what smart money trading is. They're knowing what they're looking for in the market. They're starting to, mark up their own trades and things like that. So you guys can use this academy and be able to compare your analysis to us experts and be able to kind of see, okay, what am I missing that they're seeing? What am I seeing that they're not seeing? And all of this kind of stuff. And that's going to help you guys improve as a trader because you're comparing yourself to someone who's a little bit more experienced than you. Okay, so we'll be able to utilize that academy and help you guys improve. And then last but not least, we have the Spanish Academy, La Academia en Español. So for all my people out there that want to learn in Spanish, that's an easier language for you guys to learn. We have that available for you guys. And this academy is very similar to the Master Trader University. Okay, we have the same level, same content, just translated to Spanish for you guys to learn in Spanish. Okay, so once again, guys, we have these 4 additional academies in addition to the Master Trader University for you guys to start learning how to trade institutional trading concepts. Okay, so on top of the academies, as I mentioned, guys, we also have live classes and trading sessions. So not only are you watching recorded videos, but now you get to hop on classes just like this where we'll share our screen and you guys will be able to take those concepts that you learned and now see how we apply it to the market in real time. Okay, so we have classes 6 days a week, Sunday through Friday, including these Tuesday calls to help you guys see, again, how we apply those concepts to real life markets, okay, to real life examples, showing you guys, okay, when we're looking for this buy or this sell, how do we apply those concepts? How do we see that in the market? And that's going to help you guys gain more experience and be able to improve your trading overall by seeing us actually mark up on real examples. Okay, so we have these classes. And again, all of these classes are recorded and uploaded to your IX Global back office in the live session recordings for you guys to watch again and again. Okay, we have classes right now available in English and in Hindi. So for anybody who's wanting to learn in Hindi, we have that available for you guys. All the recorded sessions are available in the Live Session Recordings Academy for you guys. And Spanish classes will be coming back very soon. I don't know the exact date on that just yet, but we will have Spanish classes so you guys can be able to hop on live classes in all 3 languages. Okay, so there's our live classes, and we talked about the academies, the classes, all of this education type of content. But on top of that, we also give you guys access to our Telegram channel. So what's so special about our Telegram channel? Well, this is where we send the class links, the class reminders, the flyers, all the information that you need to know about the education and the uploaded classes. But also, guys, this is where we give you guys trade alerts so you guys can take the same trades as us experts. Okay, so you guys will be able to come in here and do what we call copy and paste in our easy to read format. Every trade that we take as us experts, we'll send it to the channel for you guys to read. You'll be able to simply copy those numbers, paste it into your trading app, your MetaTrader 4 app, and take the exact same trades as us. Okay, so you'll be able to win when we win and lose when we lose, right? And the reason why I say that, guys, is because I don't want you guys to think we're those Facebook or Instagram gurus out there that say, hey, we're 100%, we never lose. I actually had somebody message me on Instagram the other day, say, hey, I'm 95% accurate, I never lose, come join my channel. And I'm like, yeah, right. I've never met a trader that's been that accurate, guys. Don't fall for those, run away from those people. Trading, you're going to take some losses, right? But the key to understanding that is understanding risk to reward, risk management, taking low risk, high reward setup. So even if you do take 2, 3, 4 losses in a row, you're able to win maybe 1 or 2 trades back and be able to make all that money back and still profit. And that's what we teach you here at Empire, is not so much worrying about trying to be 100% win every single trade, but trying to win trades over a long period of time that's going to help you guys see exponential growth. That is the key to trading. We're not here to lie to you guys. We're super transparent about our results, about our trading. Again, we're not going to lie to you about anything, guys. And to show you that, here are our trade results for 2022 As you guys can see, we've broken it down for all 12 months of last year, starting with January through December. And if you guys see, we added these up and did the average. If you would have taken all the trades of all of Empire's trades last year, you would have averaged at about a 10.69% account growth, varying obviously depending on if you would have risked the same amount that we recommended and things like that. But as you guys can see here, these are our trade results over the last year, right? And a lot of people, when they're trading stocks and things, they talk about 7 to 10% gain a year. That's their goal, right? We did 10% a month, right? So we did about 228.26% account growth for the entire year. Okay. I'm gonna go back real quick just to show you guys again the monthly breakdown. But again, guys, these are our trade results. We're super transparent. We're not gonna lie to you guys. Every trade that we take, we're gonna send out, hey, did it hit take profit? Did it hit stop loss? Do we close early? Do we recommend you guys go and break even? All of this kind of stuff to help you guys again slowly compound your account growth over time. And real quick, let me go ahead and go back now to the yearly results. And you guys can see this is an example of growing a $1,000 account to $3,282.60. Okay, at a 228.26% account growth per year. Okay. Now, just real quick, I do want to mention, guys, again, results are not guaranteed, right? These results were calculated over the last year. Past results are not guaranteed. Future results and individual results may vary, but as you guys can see here, these are the results how we've done over Empire, and you guys can have similar results if you take the time to hop in, start trading. And again, results may vary, but this is the potential that you guys have to learn and earn with us here at Empire. Okay, so once again, let me just recap everything we talked about, right? We have the 5 academies for you guys, 4 in English, 1 in Spanish, as well as Hindi recordings in there for you guys. We have the live sessions and live trading sessions in English and Hindi for you guys to hop on throughout the week. We have our Telegram channel that gives you access to all those classes. And I didn't even mention this earlier. We also have spreadsheets and resources that you guys can't get anywhere else. We've created resources for you guys like a trade journal, exponential growth tracker, and a trading plan template that's included when you guys join Empire. All you got to do is click that pin message in the Telegram channel. And you guys get access to all of our resources there for you guys. And you guys can utilize those to help you guys improve your trading, track all of your trades. And then we also give you guys trade alerts so you guys can learn and earn with us when you're here at Empire. Okay, so how do you get involved? How do you get started with Empire? Okay, so here are our memberships and benefits. Okay, if you're looking to get started with the trading side, okay, we recommend guys joining the Pro Pack here at IX Global. Okay, it's $145 a month, and with this, you get access to everything trading. You get access to all the education, the IX Academy live education. You get access to Empire IX, and you get access to 10 additional alert channels. Okay, so Empire IX, we're only one team here. We're only one educational team here. We also have 10 additional alert channels for you guys to trade from and be able to take those signals from and be able to trade, use multiple channels to be able to take those trades from and be able to maximize your earnings potential. Okay, so we have that for you guys. We also included in this Pro Pack the ICOM, which is the e-commerce education. So you don't have to choose between trading or e-commerce. You get that included here. You can do both. You get access to the Travel Pro, and again, all of the education and the IX Global app here for only $145 a month. Okay. Now, if that's a little expensive, but you still want to get started with the trading, you're eager to start learning, we also have the We Pack and the Basic Pack. The We Pack is $50, and you get a little bit of a limited education, right? It's kind of just like you're coming in to get your feet wet, learn a little bit more about what trading is, learn the basics. You guys can join our We Trade pack and be able to start learning and understanding the basics of Forex. Okay. Then if you want to upgrade and improve to the basic pack, then you guys can pay $115 a month. And this includes a little bit more live education. You get more alert channels to start learning and earning from. And you guys are able to start, again, improving your trading, growing a little bit more with the education we have here. And then at any time, you guys can upgrade to the Pro Pack to get access to Empire IX. Okay, so once again, guys, this is how you get involved with our first product here on the Triple Threat, Empire IX, and start learning in the financial markets, learning Forex, crypto, commodities, and indices, learning how to invest in these. And again, learn the institutional trading style, right? Understanding how to trade with the banks. You guys can get access with that with our Pro Pack. Okay, now we see the X Node membership up here. I didn't mention that because that does not include the trading. However, that includes one of our, most popular products right now. When you come to pay this $10 X Node fee, it allows you to purchase some other things that I'm going to go ahead and let Chris take over and start talking about, guys. But again, trading Empire IX, that's only one part of our Triple Threat call. Let's go ahead and shift gears and start talking about the X Node powered by DebtBox. So I'll go ahead and give it to Chris here. Chris, go ahead and take over, man.
Thanks so much, Zay. And, I love what you guys do, the institutional trading. I love what you said at the beginning, just to hit on that you don't have to learn all the charts, all the things. Technically, you could just come in and follow the experts and be able to trade like an expert right away. We have actually can show you the basics. And I've been to seminars, say, where they'll charge $5, $10, $20,000 or more for an expert to teach this. And I just can't believe the value, and they don't even have half of what you guys do at Empire, or what we're doing at IX Global. So thank you so much for that. What a way, right? Triple threat. We want to make money multiple ways, multiple streams of income. And learning, the financial markets is huge. And then what we did at IX Global is we partner with a company called DebtBox. And DebtBox stands for Decentralized Eco-Friendly Blockchain Technology. And so debt is good when you're at IX Global. All the other debt you want to get rid of, but we want more debt here. And this is some of the founders here: Jake, Jason, Roy, and Shad on the Debt Council. We actually just had a big event about a week ago, and these guys all came out and did an Ask Me Anything. They broke down the whole thing, and we're going to talk a little bit about that today. But if you decide that you want, need more videos, more information, we can get it. These guys are incredible. They're on both sides of what we're doing. And what debt and Xnode is we've mixed blockchain and crypto, right? If you think of Bitcoin and Ethereum and all these different tokens, well, we've now taken crypto and taken the technology blockchain and matched it with physical assets: oil, gas, gold, agriculture, all these huge industries, and we brought them to the blockchain. And so that's what this company has done, DebtBox. And so that's what we're going to talk about now, is another stream of the triple threat. And so how does debt work? It's very simple, right? And I'm going to talk about the projects, but what's so cool is it's very simple. You can rent or purchase a license from these guys, okay, from DebtBox. You'll earn rewards daily through the mining process of crypto. So you're earning in the step 3, the rewards come to your wallet, and you can withdraw those rewards for the value of their tokens. Okay. So it's very exciting because it's a way that you can create another, as these rewards, you can actually utilize them and then go out there and actually trade them in for money, right? And things like that. So that's how crypto is. And they're backed by real life commodities. And that's what we're going to talk about. So when they launched DebtBox, we actually took these tokens like black gold. Natural gas is a token on the ecosystem, and it's backed by oil, natural gas, agriculture, and we'll talk about that. Now, when they launched this, they actually started out, they have this scan technology, and we're going to talk about that. So they can actually scan the earth for any element. So imagine I say, hey, Zay, I got this technology. I can see right where the oil is. I can see right where the gold is. I can see right where the bauxite is. Hey, how about if you want to give me, if you want to, be a part of this project, you can be a part of this project, and any type of rewards I do, any royalty on these projects, I'll actually pay you that. I'll pay you a royalty for everything done in oil, all the natural gas we find. So that's the exciting part, is you're making royalties on these projects because you're participating in the cryptocurrency side. And so when they make money, they actually buy token out of the ecosystem. So profits, right? You're actually all these profit is taking coin out, and you're helping the ecosystem. You're helping fund the projects. And therefore, when these projects make money, it helps the crypto token. So some of our projects we've launched is black gold that has to do with oil, and black gold actually sold out. We've sold out completely of this project, but that's a really good thing because we have more and we're bringing more in the ecosystem. Natural gas, we actually sold out of natural gas, but you're able to rent these, and we'll talk about that. Grow is high yield agriculture. We actually went to Ghana and saw some of the farming that's done there. Digitally linked gold, every 1 token of gold is linked to a physical gold, so 1 gram. So you can trade that in for physical gold. We have one of the biggest aluminum plants in Ghana. We're taking from $1 billion to $5 billion. And that is part of our crypto project, right? And our scan technology. We've been to Nebraska. The biggest takeaway I want you to get off this call is, 1, the projects are real. Okay, we have real projects, all this stuff. We have real things going on. The second thing is the people running the ship are really good. Zay talked about some of the owners, some of the founders. We're all based in Utah. We're highly regulated. It's a really, really cool thing. And then we've been around the world to physically see these things. And the third thing I'm going to share in just a second, but this is the guys in Ghana. You know, some of the kids, they were so excited that they were there helping the community, growing the community. They've been bringing in work because we're doing things the right way. Because with our scan technology, we can see right where these elements are. And that means we don't have to, we find a little bit of gold. We don't have to tear apart the land. We don't have to disrupt the villages and stuff. We can go right to it and do things the right way. We're already on exchanges. Whoops, sorry. We're already on exchanges where our goal is Binance this quarter. When cryptocurrency, if you know anything, if you don't, that's okay. But I'll just tell you, when stuff gets to Binance, there's a really good chance. There's no guarantees, but man, you have worldwide exposure once you get on Binance. And that's our goal this year. So all these tokens that you see, there's a really good chance they're going to, we're going to have a really, really great 2023. We have our own app. And this is the third piece, right? Projects are real. The people are great. Those tokens you receive, those rewards, they come to your wallet. They come to your app. This is a real wallet. It means that the money comes to you. And now we're actually launching our own debit card. And it's actually backed by MasterCard. So here's a question. Do you think MasterCard would get involved with something that wasn't high level, wasn't real? Absolutely not. We've partnered with a bank, the Royal Bank of Scotland. We're actually going to make it easier to get your crypto in and out so that you can take your rewards and turn them into real money and vice versa. So we're actually launching this, I believe, in February. It's coming. It's going to be really cool. You can do a bunch of different versions. They have some crazy exclusive gold card. I know my wife would never let me have that to play with, but I don't need it, right? As long as I got my money on my phone or on my plastic card, that's good enough for me. And so each of these projects, right, you can purchase a node, and a node is cloud mining. So we don't have to do big, huge mining frigs. It's mined on the cloud, and you earn rewards daily. Now, you can purchase this and own it for the life of the project. And we have multiple projects available. We just launched 2 new ones, actually. So we've sold out of a few of our projects, but we have a little bit of grow left. So you can own grow for $2,600. You can own digitally linked gold for $1,600. You can own aluminum for $2,600, explore for $2,600. And our new projects, Bev, which is beverages. So I think this is one of the coolest ones. They're actually helping small beverage distribution companies distribute their product. So Zay, if you and me wanted to start a small energy drink company, it would cost you and me more money than it would Coca-Cola and Anheuser-Busch to distribute and put it on the shelves. Well, what these guys are doing is they're bringing technology to areas to help people, and we get a small cut of that. So the Bev actually helps these small businesses in order to improve, and therefore we actually get to put our label on the can or the bottle. Sorry, I got my blur on, but you can kind of see, like, it'll actually be on the bottle. So you'll be able to walk in the convenience store and it'll say powered by debt. I think it's such a cool project. It's based on blockchain. And then Blocks is based on real estate, commercial real estate. The real estate industry is massive. This is one of our, this thing is going to be huge. We just launched this project. So you can purchase the licenses on any of these right now. You own them. They mine daily for the life of the project. Zay, do you think we're going to stop drinking cans or waters or anything anytime soon? I don't, right? So it's going to be around for a long time. Do you guys think oil will be around, or agriculture, or, our satellites? I mean, real estate, this is all stuff's going to be around for a long time. As we create the technology and grow, you get to make money on that. Now, not everybody has this capability, right? Not everybody, has $2,000. Times are tough. It's a crazy world out there right now. We don't know what's going to happen, right? People are worried. So, but how can you get involved and even maybe try this out? Well, we have a rental program. You can rent these for 60 days, 60 cycles for $250. So for $250, you earn the rewards just like you own it for 60 days. After that, those rewards are yours. They're in your phone. They're in your wallet. You can hold them, sell them, trade them. They're yours. You can decide if you want to keep renting. Now, a lot of people, they say, hey, I want to try out all these projects. So they'll rent 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to add more to our rental pool. You actually earn a little bonus. We'll talk about that. But if this is something that you want to try out, you can get, like Zay showed you, that $10 Xnode membership. You can either do that. You can do the trading. and you can do a rental or you can purchase a node. Anything you want to do here at IX Global to benefit you, you can just be a customer of the nodes and earn those rewards. You can learn how to trade. These are all possible here. And that's what's really cool, because you can get in where you fit in. Now, the third way, this is the third part of the triple threat. And if you have questions about the X nodes, I know I went through that very quickly. We've got great videos. We have podcasts with the founders that you saw their picture talking about these projects. We have a lot of information. Whoever invited you here can share. But I want to jump in and show you that if you are excited about these products, you can share them with people, right? You rent and explore and you say, wow, you know, I'm making crypto every day. And you show your cousin and they say, hey, Zay, that's really cool. Can I do that? Yeah, you actually get paid to build a business here. And the best part is we are a global business. We have people all over the world making money in IX Global, loving the products. And so you can build a digital business as a third way of the triple threat. And it's very simple. Anything you do, you earn a direct bonus, and that's residual. Residual means it keeps showing up. Every time somebody orders, let's say they get on the Pro Pack, they want to learn how to trade with Zay, or let's say they do a rental of the node, and next month they do another rental and another thing, you know, another Pro Pack so they can learn from Zay. You're earning direct bonuses every time they do that. And then what's great and what we teach people is, if you really want to go out there and make money, go out there and get 3 people, share this with 3 people, get them involved. You're going to earn $100 bonus. Well, guess what? If you're learning from Zay on the Pro Pack, you're earning $15. You help 3 of the people do the same. You're earning $145. Guess what? You've now broke even. You've paid $145. You made $145. Isn't that great? You're learning from Zay, essentially paid for by IX Global. Now, it's same thing works with the nodes. It just depends on which product they get, but 3 people, you're going to make $100. From there, help them do the same thing. Help them get their Pro Pack paid for. Help them, you know, earn $130 on rentals, whatever it is. Help them get a perpetual. You can make $500 with 12 people or 12 orders, right? If somebody does more rentals, we'll say that. What would your life be like with an extra $500 a month? 2023, just knowing you have an extra $500 a month. That's not $500 you had to work extra hours at your job. That's $500 a month coming in. What about 1,000? Guess what? Help those 3 get 3 more. Make 1,000 a month. What would that do for you? How about 2,000? How about $2,000 a week coming in every week? We get paid weekly here at IX Global. So that's what the rank bonus is. If you share this with people, help them do the same. I recommend, I share it with a lot of people. I brought in a lot of people myself, and that's helped me to get to a rank where I can make that 6-figure income that I want. And you can do whatever you want, $500, 1,000, whatever your dream is, we can make it happen. And then we filter it into a binary structure. So you're building 2 teams. We're in volume. And for anybody that's new, don't stress about this. We help you. You basically structure 2 teams. 10% is paid out on your lesser team. And as you're making these $500, $1,000, $2,000, you're building your team. And this is where you can make a fortune, because this grows and gets bigger and bigger and bigger. And eventually you can make as much money as you want here at IX Global. We have, Zay had said, Viraj Patil is the #1 earner in the entire direct sales industry. He's making $1.2 million a month. And so what that says is you can do whatever you want. And I joke around, I go, I don't even know what I'd do with $1 million a month, but it'd be a great problem I'd love to figure out. So what this chart is showing you is each of our ranks, what you have to do to get there, right? Get to apprentice, go share with 3, get to builder, which is about $400 to $500 a month, 12 people. And then what I'll just say real quick on this is the rank really you want to get to make an extra $5,000 a month or more. You want to get to influencer rank, make 1,000 a week on a rank bonus plus some in the binary. And then eventually you want to get to the levels of, having a real significant, 6-figure, $10,000 a month plus. And we can help you do that. The last thing I want to say about the last part of the triple threat is, we're here to help you. We're here to work with you. We build together. Zay is incredible. We've got an incredible team, not just on the corporate side. but on the community side. And that's really what we do is we get to know people, we work hard together. And if you have anybody, if you're interested in our products, dig in. I'm telling you, the more you dig in, the more you're going to like. We have people much smarter at crypto than myself that have dug in and they love this. I was just talking to a guy today who said, I only do projects that are fair launch. I didn't even know what that meant until this last week. And fair launch means that the owners didn't get any extra token on the nodes. Everybody had to mine the token, which is a really big deal. And he said, that's the only projects I do. I go, guess what? That's what we do here with Debtbox. So we have two really great, amazing companies joined together. We're coming on 3 years. We're going to be around for a long time. We're looking forward if you want to come on this journey with us. And as always, Zay, I appreciate you. And I hope that you all got to learn something today and got excited. And let's go out there and make 2023 the best year ever. Because what's going to change unless you change today? Let's go out there, make a decision, and let's go out there and make this the best year.
Absolutely. Thank you, Chris, man. I appreciate it always. I love doing these calls with you guys. And there you guys have it, the triple threat here at IX Global. Whether you want to be doing trading, want to learn how to invest in the Forex, crypto, commodity indices markets, whether you want to purchase a rental or perpetual license for the Xnode projects, or whether you want to come in here and start building your online company by just simply sharing the platform, or all three, we have that here for you guys here at IX Global with our triple threat. And so how do you get started, guys? Well, we showed you the pricing and stuff. If you guys are interested in getting started, get back to the person that invited you to today's call. They can help you guys get started on whichever product you're interested in, and we can go from there and help you welcome you guys to our community, and we'll work together to help you achieve whatever goals that you guys have. So with that being said, guys, once again, I appreciate every single one of you guys hopping on. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at. Thank you, guys.